appraisal on live virtual machine migrations and its approaches. Today's world is Internet world. Almost all the people use Internet for accessing different services. In cloud computing, various cloud consumers demand variety of services as per their dynamically changing needs over the Internet. So, it is the job of cloud computing to avail all the demanded services to the cloud consumers. But due to the availability of finite resources, it is very difficult for cloud providers to provide all the demanded services in time. From the cloud provider's perspective, cloud resources must be allocated in a fair manner. So, it's a vibrant issue to meet cloud consumers' QoS requirements and satisfaction. Virtualization mainly abstracts the resources like CPU and memory through virtual machine for efficient resource utilization. Virtual machine migration is one of the key techniques for dynamic resource management in cloud computing. Migration is the process of transferring virtual machine from one physical host to another physical host. This paper mainly addresses key performance issues, challenges and techniques for live virtual machine migration in cloud computing. It also focuses on the key issues related to these existing live virtual machine migration techniques and summarize them. Introduction. With the rise of information and communication technology (ICT), computing has become a basic utility, like electricity or water, that people use as needed and pay for based on usage. This idea is made possible through cloud computing, which provides access to a large pool of shared, virtual computer resources over the Internet. Cloud computing allows people to use services on demand, but it also brings challenges for providers who must fairly and efficiently manage limited resources to meet user needs. Traditional resource management methods don't work well in this flexible, virtual environment. A key technology that helps is virtualization, which allows multiple virtual machines (VMs) to run on a single physical computer. One important technique, live VM migration, lets these virtual machines move from one server to another without shutting down, helping to balance loads, save energy, and ensure smooth service. This makes cloud systems more reliable, cost-effective, and responsive to user demands. Conclusion. Cloud computing is the new era of computing for delivering computing as a resource over the today's Internet world. The success and beauty behind cloud computing is due to the cloud services provided with the cloud over the Internet. Due to the availability of finite resources, it is very important for cloud providers to manage and assign all the resources in time to cloud consumers as their requirements are changing dynamically. Live virtual machine migration is one of the key notions for efficient dynamic resource management. Many authors have proposed state-of-the-art approaches and methods for live virtual machine migration. In summary, all the authors tried to achieve very low and predictable downtimes. They also tried to avail resources to the cloud consumers during migration process. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.